Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on how networks are monitored. If you've ever wondered how IT teams spot problems before they become disasters or catch intrusions in real time, you're about to find out. Let's start with SNMP, Simple Network Management Protocol. SNMP is like a messenger that goes around your network, checking in on devices like routers, switches, and servers. It collects information like CPU usage, bandwidth, and temperature, then sends that data to a central system. It's simple, efficient, and crucial for understanding device health and performance. Next up is Syslog. Think of Syslog as a universal diary for your network devices. Whenever something happens, a login attempt, an error, a configuration change, the device writes an entry in the diary. These logs get sent to a central location where they can be reviewed and analyzed. Syslog is a goldmine for troubleshooting and forensics. Now here's where it gets exciting. SIEM tools, or security information and event management systems. These are the brains of the operation. SIEM tools collect data from SNMP, Syslog, and many other sources, then analyze it for patterns, anomalies, and signs of threats. They can alert security teams in real time when something fishy is happening, like repeated failed login attempts or traffic to a suspicious IP address. Imagine SNMP and Syslog as the eyes and ears of your network, constantly observing and recording. SIEM is the brain that connects the dots and decides when to sound the alarm. Together, they create a powerful monitoring ecosystem. The beauty of network monitoring is it's both reactive and proactive. It helps you respond to incidents quickly, but also spot trends, forecast issues, and tighten your defenses before an attacker even makes a move. We also have a whole playlist of videos covering networking concepts, including training that aligns with the CompTIA Network Plus certification. Be sure to check it out if you're ready to go deeper. Give us a like and hit subscribe for more cybersecurity tips. Catch you next time.